Hello everyone, this is Shivpriya Temat. Welcome back to our channel. So getting enough amount of good sleep is super important in children's overall well-being. So it helps them to grow big and strong, think clearly, emotion regulation and stay healthy. But sadly, many of the children in today's era face a lot of trouble in sleeping well. So today we are going to discuss about establishing consistent sleeping schedule and creating calm bedtime routine which will help children. So why sleep is important for toddlers and young children? Sleep plays a huge role in young children's development both mentally and physically. So the child who is well rested, who get enough amount of sleep will be much stable with their mood, will be having self-control, better memory power, focus and learning capacity. At the same time, the child who is facing lack of sleep will be hyperactive, will face frequent meltdowns, will be throwing tantrums, will be cranky much more, will be a handful for parents to take care of them. So adequate amount of sleep is very important as they support the growth, boost the immune system to fight against the diseases and help to maintain a stable mood in children. So establishing a sleeping schedule from the very young age is more like laying foundation. So now we are going to discuss about the strategies which help to establish sleeping schedules and also create calm bedtime routines. So the very first one is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to establish healthy sleeping patterns in children. So aim to keep bedtime and wake time consistent even during the weekends and also vacations. So this routine helps children's body to regulate their internal cycle of sleeping and waking up, which will make it easier for them to fall asleep and wake up more naturally. And also having this consistency, it will help the parents to ensure that they are getting that recommended amount of sleep, which falls under the range of 10 to 14 hours, which is predicted by pediatricians, and the small fluctuations happen depending upon the age of children. So to have a consistent sleep schedule, bring out a reasonable bedtime which allows the recommended amount of sleeping schedule. Next strategy is creating a calm bedtime routine for children. So creating a calm bedtime routine is more like giving a signal to children's body and mind to start preparing for sleeping. So it helps to hind down or bring their body from daily activities and go through that transition of relaxation mode, which will help the child's body to fall asleep easily. So a calm bedtime routine should be predictable, consistent and tailored to your child's age and their preferences. You can start this routine maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour before the intended bedtime, and the activities can include having a warm bath, wearing the comfortable dress or pajamas, hearing to some soft music or bedtime stories. But the whole important point of this routine is it should be a sequences of activities which the child will find as enjoying and soothing. So the environment should be free from the gadgets and also try to maintain quietness and peaceful serenity throughout the environment and throughout the routine. The next strategy is trying to optimize the sleep environment. The sleep environment plays a crucial role in promoting quality sleep for children. So create a sleep-friendly environment by making the bedroom dark, cool and quiet. So consider using a blackout curtain, or instead if your child is not fond of black curtains and all, you can use an eye mask, so which will block any external light sources, and also invest in comfortable mattress and bedding which suits with your child's age and their preferences. Additionally, you should ensure that the bedroom environment is free of any distractions and such kind of stimulus. So the next strategy is limiting screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by the electronic gadgets such as smartphones, laptops, televisions and all disrupt the body's natural sleep and wake cycle, and it makes harder for children to fall asleep naturally. So what happens with blue light is it suppresses melatonin, which is a hormone responsible for regulating the sleep. So to promote quality bedtime and sleep in children, ensure to establish a screen-free time at least 1 or 2 hours before your children's intended bedtime. So also you can have that family time together. You can do the bedtime routine at that time, and if they have to do their homework or any other educational purposes with electronic gadgets, try to make your child use blue light filtering glasses or use facilities there in the electronic gadgets for reducing the blue light emitting method. The next strategy is encouraging physical activity during the daytime. Regular physical activity during the daytime encourages better sleep at the night. So physical activity helps a lot in the overall well-being, both physically and mentally in children. So it helps to reduce the stress and anxiety, take out the excessive energy they carry out, to regulate their internal clock of sleep and waking up, which make it easier for children to fall asleep during the night time. So encourage your child to participate in regular physical activities such as playing outdoors or participating in sport activities, going for a walk with the family members. At the same time, it is important to note that they are not engaged in intense physical activity, which will make it harder for them to hind out or to come in a relaxation mode at the night time. During the daytime, it is also important that they are not taking a lot of time in napping. What happens is many children sleep a lot during the daytime, which will make it harder for them to sleep at night. Sometimes the children may stay awake till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock because they oversleep during the daytime. And also look after what they are eating and drinking during the daytime, and also in dinner. So it is important that they are not going to the bed in a hungry state but also in a stuffed state. So you can make their dinner light and also give them warm milk, which helps to reduce the stress and anxiety and all in their mind. So the next strategy is addressing sleep disruptions and underlying causes. So if you think your child is consistently struggling with quality sleep, getting adequate sleep time, it is important to address any potential underlying causes or difficulties. So many times the causes can be side effects of medications, stress or anxiety, or any other environmental factors such as noise or light disturbance. And if you think that your child is suffering with persistent sleep difficulties, try to consult a child pediatrician or sleep specialist who would recommend strategies such as cognitive behavioral therapies, relaxation therapies, or any adjustment in the environment itself. So as parents, give them more support and reassurance during the time to move on or come out from that phase. In conclusion, establishing consistent sleep schedules and creating calm bedtime is very much essential for promoting healthy sleep habits in children. By prioritizing sleep and implementing strategies that foster relaxing and sleep promoting environment, parents can help their children to get restful sleep that is adequate for optimal physical, cognitive and emotional development. At the same time, parents should remember that what works for one child may not work for other. Every child is unique and every child's sleeping pattern and their behaviors are different. So parents have to be patient, consistent and should be willing to adjust as the situation requires, and with time and commitments, parents can help their child to develop a positive relationship with healthy sleeping habits. Thank you and stay tuned.